Hello guys! Today we are fixing a PS4. The customer spilled a big amount of water on it and the PlayStation exploded. Let's try to fix it. Let's start by opening it. We can remove this cover here, unscrew disk drive. Now remove stickers. And unscrew. Okay, so we got two more Torx at the top. Okay, here we go. This cover. Let's remove this panel. And here we are so far also looking good. Oh, but here is corrosion. That's the power supply. Let's remove the power supply. Here comes the power supply. Okay, let's see what the power supply has to show us. There is corrosion in here. Let's see. Fuse. Fuse is fine. Capacitor. Any voltage in it? 0.9 volt. It's not shorted. Is the other fuse gone? Yes. Is this fuse gone? No. So the only damage I really found is on the corner here, So slight damage here. Doesn't look too bad. And just right on the other side, you can see the corner is also burned. We also have a burn mark here. So this fuse, or whatever this component is here, carries 400 volt rectified voltage. And it sparked around the board because there was water in here, apparently. Yeah, you can see it there. To ground. All we have to repair is this trace at the bottom here, it's a bit blown up. And we have to fix a bit of this corrosion in the area here. It's not too bad though. And we have to replace this resistor because I checked it in continuity and it's open circuit. So let's fix this power supply. Resistor has been unsoldered now, and we will now repair the trace and clear off all the char on the board. Let's now fix the broke trace. So the tiny trace on the side here has been rebuilt. So it is good. It's just a ground protection tool, so it doesn't need to be thick. Yeah. We have a connection to the end now, good. Now I just have to cover these spots in solder mask because otherwise we could short out something. Replace the resistor and then the power supply should be done. I'll just try it with my UV light now. Still waiting. Okay, nothing is fluid anymore. Let's now install a new resistor and then we can test the power supply. It's a couple of days later and I have finally got my resistors. 0.1 ohm, 1 watt, fusible, 5%. Let's solder them in. Okay, the resistor has been soldered in fine now. Got a nice new one here. So I think we should reassemble the power supply. The console is reacting to the power button and the core supply for the APU is up, so the power supply should be good now. Since the power supply is not working, let's work on fixing the mainboard. So this here is the first area we will work on. And I will first clean with some 99% APA. I will first focus on the area we can see on screen only, so we don't miss any important spots. I will definitely want to replace these resistors, but for that we have to figure out their value. So I will get the multimeter and measure them. And 22 ohm. To really make the corrosion disappear, I will add solder to all these pads here. And now I will solder back 2 new resistors. Okay, so I'm done with the area at the bottom here. Yeah, I resoldered, I put solder on all the corroded pads and then I masked it off. Now we just have to go up here. I will do the area of the small chip to the side next, but I don't think the thing has got any real damage to it. This is just surface level. The conductor here is fine. Capacitor is not shorted. This capacitor is not shorted. This diode. Diode is also not shorted. Here at the side the capacitor. Oh! No, it's not shorted. And there seems to be a fuse here or a resistor, which is fine. So yeah, all good. We just have to give this a little clean, looks like. Yeah, and this already looks a lot better. I will just resolder the diode because that hit the most corrosion on it. Yeah, looks good. Let's go to the side now. This is our Reassembly. This looks good now. Up here let's first measure the resistor. 5.5K, I'm not sure about that. That one there in the corner looked very corroded, but I asked online, it's supposed to be 5.5K, so that's fine. I will just remove and resolder it. So let's the resistor back in properly. Just like before, I will mask all the areas I worked on. Since power supply and mainboard are done now, let's reassemble and test the console. Okay, I have mostly reassembled everything and I think I'm ready to plug it in for the first time. I will just press the power button here and the console should now have power. Let's press the power button on the console now. Let's hope it doesn't beep on off. Oh, okay, we get a blue light. Let's see, we need a white light. Then we know it's working. Oh, monitor locked. But nothing on screen. And yes, we got a picture. It's working. I will now test the console with Fortnite and see if everything is working. Yeah, so I tested some games on this console and everything is running fine. I also put the cover back, so I think this is ready to go back to the customer. I also made sure that the disk drive, Wi-Fi, Ethernet and the USB ports are working. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you think the video gave you some value. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye!